Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear viewers, today we will see basic of wind loading for portal, shed or steel warehouse. So let's start. Wind directions. Wind may act on shed from different direction. In analytical method, usually we consider 4 directions of wind acting on shed for wind load calculation. Following is perpendicular to ridge, left to right and right to left. You can see the figure is from left to right and another one from right to left. And here following wind direction is parallel to ridge, that means positive x and negative x direction as shown axis in the figure. Here you can see the first figure showing wind flow along positive x direction, and second figure this showing wind along negative x direction. You can see the x y z axis, x y z, x y z axis. Now how wind load interacts when wind flows perpendicular to ridge. Wind pressure results force acting on wall and roof of the shed. When wind flows toward a side, that side is known as windward side and opposite side known as leeward side. You can see here, this is the wind flow, this is windward side and this is leeward side. Windward wall gets positive pressure, which means pressure from outward to inward direction. Here you can see from outside to inside, that means inward side. And leeward wall gets negative pressure, which means pressure from inward to outward direction. Here you can see from inside or inward to outside or outward direction. Windward roof and leeward roof gets usually negative pressure, which means pressure from inward to outward direction. Suction, that means suction. Rarely for larger slope and opening condition, roof may get positive pressure. As per design code, we get pressure values with positive or negative sign. From these signs, we can understand the load direction. If it is negative value, then the pressure going from inward to outward direction. If it is positive sign, then the direction will be reverse. Now, how wind load interacts when wind flows parallel to ridge. Same here, wind flows toward a side, that side is known as windward side and opposite side known as leeward side. Here you can see in the figure parallel to ridge. You may think that what is ridge? Ridge is the maximum position of roof in a shed, that means this is the ridge line. So when wind flows parallel to ridge, in the figure wind flowing parallel to ridge, so this side will be windward side and opposite side will be leeward side. Windward wall gets positive pressure, which means pressure from outward to inward direction. In the figure we can see from outside to inside, that means outward to inward. Leeward wall gets negative pressure, which means pressure from inward to outward direction, from inside or inward to outside or outward direction. Windward roof and leeward roof gets usually negative pressure, which means pressure from inward to outward direction, that means suction. Rarely for larger slope and opening condition, roof may get positive pressure. As per design code, we get pressure values with positive and negative sign. From these signs we can understand the load direction. Now from the figure you can see from inward or inside direction to outside direction for roofs. Now what about sidewalls? For both direction of wind flow, sidewalls get negative pressure, which means pressure from inward to outward direction. See when wind perpendicular to ridge. Here in the figure, wind perpendicular to ridge. Wind acting from this side perpendicular to ridge, the sidewall gets pressure from inward direction to outward direction. That side sidewall same way from inward direction to outward direction. Now see when wind parallel to ridge. this figure, when wind parallel to ridge this direction, then the side wall will be this side, pressure will be from inside to outside, that means inward to outward, and this side wall same way from inward to outward. Other basic terms here, ridge. Ridge is the highest position of roof in shade. We can see in the figure, this is the ridge line. Eave. Eave is the wall top position from where roof start in shade. We can see in the figure, this is the eave position. Mean roof height. Height at the midpoint of roof beam. Here we can see in the figure, this is the mean roof height. So next tutorial may contain calculation of wind loads using Excel sheet for duo-piece steel shed or warehouse or portal frame shed as per ASCE 716 code. This code has been followed by BNBC 2017. So who are following ASCE 716 or BNBC 2017, both of these viewers may use this calculation method. This Excel sheet we will use. This is in imperial unit and also in metric unit. And wind direction here, when wind normal to ridge, then normal is active wind direction, and when wind parallel to ridge, this active wind direction. Here these cells are for input value or variable, and these cells are auto output, and these cells are constant. Then applying that load on SAP 2000, I prefer SAP 2000 in between ETABS and SAP for steel structures. To get more important tutorials, subscribe the channel, press bell icon to get notified, and you may donate to support the channel by joining as donator fan. To get that Excel sheet, you need to join as loving fan sub, that means second level of membership in this channel. Here you can get this join button. After clicking on this, you will get these 3 levels of membership. You have to be member minimum second level to get resources used in the tutorials. By joining as a member, you are not getting only resources but also supporting the channel to bring more tutorials. So remember that your support is not only for getting resource but also for inspiration to prepare more important tutorials. I am giving lots of time for preparing useful tutorials and resources, so those time should get some value. So hopefully all of you will understand the fact. And here you will also get lots of playlist. From this playlist you can get a lot of tutorials on different civil engineering software. So today up to this, stay safe in this pandemic. Love and best of love to all.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.